Very good. Hi boys. Started. So this iPod was not charging. So what we did earlier, this was not getting charged. Now it's getting charged. Mainly the problem is the terminal here or the terminal inside. Terminal here, terminal inside. So what we did, took a small. This is a neurosurgeon probe actually. If you have good friends, it's very expensive, but you can get it anywhere in Amazon for 100-200 rupees. Take a small piece of cloth, or if you get the camera here, get the camera here. Get the camera here. You see here, dear Mr. Dorai. You see this light. See the two terminals there, and this side. Usually these are the two terminals which will cause problem. Okay. So what we did, Dorai illikomba. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು okay so essentially took this there's a sharp focus there, see here, yeah, so we put it inside this and clean those terminals. We just braid them, just brush them, usually just to remove the dirt. Both sides you do that, and essentially once you do that, initially these lights were not getting on. Look at it now, it's getting on. Superb. I think I wanted to change this, but it saved my 15,000 rupees. Okay, so if you see on the phone, it gets spared. Earlier this was not getting on. See now? Yes. Super. So all you need is this. It should be very long and thin and a very thin, lightly bent, and you need to upgrade the terminals. That's it. Thank you.